Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your Instagram account password. Now let's move on and open your Instagram. Now tap on profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. Now you need to tap on three lines on the top right of your screen. Now from the menu, tap on settings. Now you need to tap on security. Now tap on password. Now you need to type in your current password, and now you need to type in your new password including letters, special characters and numbers, which will make your password strong. Again, re-enter your new password. If in case you have forgotten your current password, you can tap forgotten your password link and reset your new password. Then tap on tick on the top right of your screen, and then your password will change. And in your next login, you must type in your new password to get logged into Instagram account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos. Thank you for watching.